organize, qindeessuu, reduce, hir'isuu, increase, dabaluu, depend on, irratti hirkachuu, avoid, of irraa fageessuu, prefer, ka'alatti ja'allachuu. Great. These verbs help you
stress, difina, pressure, dhiibbaa, confidence, ofitti amanamummaa, patience, obsa, respect, kabaja, trust, amantaa, support, deeggarsa. Comfortable, mijataa, affordable, gatii madaalawaa, available, argamuu danda'u, necessary, barbaachisaa, effective, bu'aa qabeessa, efficient, si'aayina qabu.
Bro, obboleessa, dude, michuu, buddy, hiriyaa, guys, isin, what's up? Maal jira? No way, hin taa'u. Get ready, qopheessi, hurry back, daffii deebii, come again, deebii kotu, try again, irra deebii yaali, think fast, daffii yaadi, act now, amma hojjetu. Great, keep practicing and we
Forgive others, namoota abdisii, forget the past, waan darbe irraanfatu, move on, itti fufii, stay strong. Jabaadu, don't give up, abdii hin kutatin, why not? Maaliif hin taane, go ahead, itti fufii, try now, amma yaali, start again, irra deebi'i jalqabii, finish now, amma sumurii, hold it, qaabii. Who is this? Kun eenyu? Where are you? Eessa jirta? Where are you going? Eessa deemta? Come here. As kottu. Go there. Achitti deemi. Great.
judge, abbaa seeraa, court, mana murtii, law, seera, illegal, seeraan alaa, investigation, qorannu yakkaa, evidence, ragaa. Great! These words help you talk about the justice system and
Product, oomisha, service, tajaajila, brand, maqaa oomisha, promotion, beeksisa, advertisement, beeksisa daldalaa, campaign, duula beeksisa. Awesome! These words help you talk about marketing.
Criminal, yakkama, victim, miidhama, arrest, hiduu.
shut up. Afaan chufi, get lost. Badi, damn, wayu, crap, waan bada, mess up. Dogoggora hojjechuu. Great! Now you know how to say these common expressions. Shut up. Afaan chufi, get lost. Badi, damn, wayu, crap, waan bada, mess up. Dogoggora hojjechuu. Great!
Criminal, yakkama, victim, miidhama, arrest, hiduu.
Bro, obboleessa, dude, michuu, buddy, hiriyaa, guys, isin, what's up? Maal jira? No way, hin taa'u.